All right, what do we have in front of us? AMT's 57 T-Bird, 3-in-1 stock, customized, stylized. Includes AMT advanced customizing body putty with customizing and styling accessories, 1/25th scale, all chrome engine. Oh man, I'm just admiring this box artwork right here. Look at all those little T-Birds right there. That's so cool. I wish somebody would make a poster of this. Definitely put that on my wall. And I also love the weathering on the sides of the box. And here we have all the accessories it includes with the kit. I bought this used, so we're going to find out what's inside together because I don't think the putty's in there, but let's see. Let's figure it out. So let's go ahead and remove the lid of the box. We'll set this down over here. And here we have the model, chrome, and a bag. All right, let's take the bits out one by one. Let's check out this body right here. It's pretty nice. No paint on it, no glue. All right, we have the bottom chassis. And it looks like, oh, okay. I'm not sure if this is the way it came or if it was cut, you know. It might have been cut. Look at that right there. Quite interesting. Set that there. Let's take a look at the chrome. Let's see. Oh man, this is beautiful. Look at this. Ah, all right. Let's take a look at the wheels. Nice and shiny right there. The grills. Let's flip this around. The back part. Yeah, nice sheet. Everything is still there. Looks like one piece is about to fall off. Here we have some more chrome. The engine. Very nice. Another piece of chrome here. Another engine. Oh, cool. Are they identical? No, they're not. Oh, but look at this. It goes like this. Like the puzzle piece connects. All right, we have the instructions in here. Let's see here. All right. I'm digging the stylized right here. The way that sticks out in the back. It almost looks close to like a Corvette right there. What do you guys think? And then look at this. The front end of this, it reminds me of the Sahara. Right there, that custom. Oh, this one came off. And then, like in here, we have A, B, C, and D. Give you an idea, short story on styling. Oh, and E. Can't forget E. And then we could build it stock. Here's a stock. Custom. This is pretty neat. The way they drew those drawings, and even right here, the spray, that's pretty cool. It's a nice breakdown right there. Sweet. All right, so let's set this over here. I'm very curious about the bag. It's almost like a mystery bag because we're not sure. We're not guaranteed everything's going to be there. We're going to find out right now what's in here. This is just the way it arrived. Oh. All right, we're pulling it out. Oh, look, everything's all falling out. Let's see. Maybe I should just empty everything in the box because things are just falling. All right, let's see. Uh-oh. Be careful. Oh, something's stuck right there. Okay, keep going. Wow, did not expect this. But it's all right. We'll make it work. All right. I'm going to check this bag before we toss it. I don't want to just toss it and let there be a piece in there. Look at the way this turned out. All right, look, it almost looks like a photograph you'd take, right? If you're trying to sell this online. You're like, bam, complete. All right, let's go. What do we have here? Ooh, some nice black leather type material. There for the floor. The left, right seats, the dash. Man, I still remember like one of the first videos I did with the 57 when I had found this, I was like, oh, cool, the material. And I didn't even flip it around yet. But now I'm understanding what's going on. So we get that there. We also get, oh, some material. This feels more like a felt material right there. The floor mats. We'll set that material down over here. And then this is the sandpaper. Oh, 2 sheets of sandpaper. I see the connect. Nope. From that time. All right, what's here? Oh, here's another piece of material that's separate. Man, was this cut out? Yeah, it looks like it was probably most likely cut out. All right, and all right. So I'm gonna go ahead and start pulling a lot of this stuff out and lay it all out. All right, so we have everything laid out. It took a little while, but we're here. And from analyzing everything, right when I got done, I came to the conclusion that I believe we have extra parts from a second kit. Pretty sure it's the same kit. The first thing I suspected was the 2 sanding, tools that they give you. Another thing was the material here, right? This one is a leather material, and then this one's more like a felt type of material. There's 2 of them, right? Try to piece that together. And at the same time, even like the wall stand, the wall mounts for the models, it looks like there's like a couple kits for that. And what else? See, there's a couple plates right here that says 57 Thunderbird. And the sets of wheels. So I have the chrome ones right over here, but then there's also this set right here. So I don't know, you guys viewing this, if you have this kit, let me know if originally, this is all the stuff you would get. Maybe I'm wrong regarding that. There's also 2 pieces of sanding paper right there. But other than that, I mean, it's cool. I'm happy with what I got. A lot of the times when I'm buying these kits online, I know for sure, even though it says complete kit, there could be a high percentage that it's not going to be complete. But let's see here. Man, look at this. I'm very curious about even doing the car like this. I like the shape of the back window. This whole area right here will look very cool. There's also all the parts like for the rear to extend the rear right there. And then we have the hood as well. Right there, interior glass. We also have that. And oh, look at this. We also have this front end too. If we wanted to add that right there. So that's pretty neat. Oh, let me put this over here. Let's see, is this the bottom? Where's the bottom piece? No, that's for the back as well. Yeah, I think these are combined. Can be combined like that. Not sure, but and then look at this one here. This one's very interesting. I believe, yeah, these go like this. Like that. And then you put a little grill right there in the front. Looks like it's smiling. A little cat right there. That's so cool. Yeah, but I'm very happy with this purchase right here. Having this in my collection. The 57 T-Bird right here. There's going to be other cars in the future that I'm going to be unboxing, that I'm acquiring. So little by little, building up the collection. And I'm hoping you guys are enjoying these videos as much as I'm having fun just unboxing these and sorting through all the parts. There's a lot of little miscellaneous parts right here. But I did find the doubles in here, the pair, So at first I was like thinking, man, what if there's no glass? But then I found the 2 glass pieces and I was like, all right, we're set. We're good. Cool. Well, thank you for watching, everybody. Take care. Peace.